Sonam, just allow me to ask you one more question. Since you have been always supported the cause for women, हम लोग आज भी देख रहे हैं कि 8 दिन रह गए हैं 16 दिसंबर के, लेकिन अभी भी क्राइम अगेंस्ट वुमेन होता है. जैसे दिल्ली में अभी एक कैब के अंदर वुमेन वाज असॉल्टेड. सो व्हाट्स योर रिएक्शन कि जो एक ऑथराइज्ड कैब्स होते हैं उसमें भी वुमेन सेफ नहीं है?
ऑनेस्टली ऑब्वियसली जो हुआ है वो बहुत ही खराब और भयंकर. It's an awful thing to have happened, 150%, and women are just generally not safe. Bombay में we have a little bit of, we are not as bad as they are off in Delhi. I know that because on Saturday night I was out and I had taken a cab back home. I had taken an Uber back home and I reached home safe. But honestly, it's not the fault of the cab companies or the cabs or anything. It's the fault of the government in a lot of ways, according to me, because they have given a clarification, a character certificate, right, to the cab driver, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right? Yes. So the punishment and the rules have to be more stringent from the government side. Are you saying that if a rape takes place in a public transport vehicle, they're going to ban public transport? So I think it works either way. It's the niyat insaan ki change honi chahiye. You can't ban things saying that we have to ban this, we have to ban that. लड़कियों को छोटे कपड़े पहनने में भी बैन कर लो कि ये कपड़े मत पहनो. ऐसे मतलब देर से कि ये लड़की सो क्यों गई कैब में. You know when the Nirbhaya thing happened कि अरे why did she go for a late night movie? वो बस में क्यों चली गई? Why did she go to a private bus? Why are we even asking these questions? It's like, why is a man acting like this? That is a question that needs to be asked. Not that it happened in an Uber cab. It's like, why was a man like this? It's how we bring up our children. It's how we bring up our men in our country. That's the question that we should be asking. We are protesting against the wrong thing. We should be making people aware of being. We should be making. First of all, mothers need to bring up their men in a certain way. कि एक तेरा लाडला है, पर ये लाडला भी पागल हो सकता है. And do not make him into this. Put him up on a pedestal. He needs to learn from a young age that you need to treat a woman right, and a woman is not to be treated like an object and not to be treated badly just because she's a woman. So that needs to be taught to the child since a young age. It's the way that the men in our country have been brought up. That is what is wrong with the country. It has nothing to do with anything else. According to me, that is the basic issue. So when we solve that issue, all these things will not happen. So by banning things, by going after certain things, that to a certain extent there will be a little bit of safety that we're not going in a cab. But how long can we keep doing that? That means we don't go for late night movies, we don't go to a pub, we don't have late nights. I don't know. There's a lot of issues, and this is a very superficial way of trying to solve something. There is a deep-rooted cause for it, and that needs to be solved first before we say ban Uber, ban buses, ban tinted glasses, we're not allowed to put tints on a vehicles. Okay. Now, for someone like me, I'm traveling in a vehicle, and there are men most of the time just staring into my car all the time. So that's okay. When men are looking at me with a dirty gaze, that's fine. That tinted glass actually saves me from that. So there are pros and cons to everything. That's all I'm trying to say. So it's not about making rules and having rules and banning things and doing that and doing this. It's about trying to change the nature of the way Indian men think. I think that's the basic issue.
Thank you so much. Appreciated.
One last question.
Yeah.
Which one is more fun?
I'm not going to ask my question. I think both of them are different in their own way. Arbaz, both of them tease me a lot, but both of them are different projects. One is with Arbaz. I signed Prem Ratan before I signed Dolly Ki Doli, and the reason I can do films like Dolly Ki Doli and Khoobsurat, etc., is because I've done a film like Prem Ratan and Payo with the Salman Khan. So both of them are very important to me in different ways, and Arbaz will always be my favorite producer. Not that I'm saying that Arbaz is my favorite Khan brother, but I love both of them.
Okay, thank you so much.
Last question.
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.
Hanji, बोलिए.
You were just बॉलीवुड को काफी ब्लेम किया जाता है क्योंकि क्राइम
You can't blame anybody. That's what I'm trying to say.
लेकिन सोनम एक यूनाइटेड नेशन की रिपोर्ट भी है जिसमें कहा गया है कि हिंदी फिल्मों में खासकर को महिलाओं को एक्टर्स को ऑब्जेक्ट उस तरह से दिखाया जाता है पोर्ट्रे किया जाता है.
Yeah, but the women need to stop objectifying themselves. That's what I was trying to say. It's like when you go into I'm not saying that you wear whatever you want, do whatever you want, but don't try to sell yourself as a sexual object, then people will not. I'm not saying that you don't wear a swimsuit and you don't do this or you don't do that, but if you're going to behave in a certain way, then certain people look at you like that. But it has nothing to. I don't know how to explain it. It's like when we see a kiss in a Hollywood film and we see a kiss in a Bollywood film, it's how we look at it. It has nothing to do with what is portrayed. It's बोलते I don't know, my grandmother said कि किस नजर से आप देखते हो. अगर आप बुरी नजर से देखते हो तो वो बुरा ही लगेगा आपको. अगर आप अच्छी नजर से देखोगे तो it's actually the mindset of the people that needs to change. You can't say, are you saying that the way Helen danced is different from anything else? It's just the mindset of the people of that time. They do not look at it as something cheap. If we look at it as something cheap, then it becomes cheap. If we do not look at it as it being cheap, then it's not cheap. I don't know how to explain it. It's like it's just a mindset. I remember when we were doing the silent protest. I think you were there with me. I think at that point, I don't know who was there. And at that point also, somebody asked me. I said, "It's how we bring up our children. It's how at the end of the day, the mother brings up the son, and we need to bring them up like the way my brother is brought up. My father always gave me and my sister preferential treatment to say that this is how you have to treat the women. To make sure my brother is more ambitious for my career than I am for myself. If I tell him, Harsh, I'm going to get married and go away, he said, there's no need for you to get married, yeah? Why are you thinking like a old-fashioned person? You understand? So you have to bring up your child in a certain mindset, and then things will change. It's about education, it's about awareness, it's about us as Indians changing our mindset. That women are maybe as capable or better than men, and that's what we need to tell everybody, including not only men, even women need to start believing that and start thinking that that's when the change happens. Because we are our own enemies. Women are the worst enemies of women. So once we start believing it, then everybody around us will start believing it. Hopefully, thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. One last photo for solo photo.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot, Sonam ma'am, Sunil sir, Planet F, Disney. Thank